haddana daawadayaal dhegaystayaal dadweynaha Soomaaliyeed ee ku nool dalka iyo dibaddiisa waxaan idinku soo dhawaynaynaa inaad nala daawataan xafladdii Ottawa ee ka dhacday aqalka sare ee baarlamaanka dalka Canada iyo xafladihii ka horreeyey oo ka dhacay magaalada Toronto laguna soo dhawaynayay doorashadii la doortay madaxweynaha Soomaaliyeed mudane Cabdullaahi Yuusuf Axmed iyo prime ministerkiisa cusub oo magacaabay mudane Ali Maxamed Geedi iyo waliba baarlamaanka Federalka ee Dowladda Soomaaliyeed oo si aad iyo aad u qurux badan dabaaldegooda loogu soo dhaweeyay iyo xafladooda magaaladan Toronto صبح وعلى قدني على كنا سلام والصبح وعلى قدني على كنا سلام من لقو سحب وسحل اللي بتدا سحل من لقو سحب وسحل السحل 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 سجد وينو فيشبو
Soomaaliyadi midowdo saxabkii baxayo samaatay Soomaaliyadi midowdo saxabkii baxayo samaatay
من لقو سحب وسحل اللي بتدا سحل من لقو سحب وسحل السحل 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 سجد وينو فيشبو
Members of Parliament, ambassadors, Madame, Monsieur, bonsoir. It's a great honor tonight for the Somali Canadians to invite you to support us in this special event to support the newly formed government of Somalia. Tonight, I'm not actually the introduction. I'm just introducing people very shortly. All our speakers have a track record and a wealth of background, but because of the time constraint, we're using just short introductions. But I'm actually starting with an English poem, and the title is Whom Do We Blame? By Safia Hashi. Safia, please welcome.
Good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to read a poem written by me, Safia Abdulaziz, called Whom Do We Blame? Canada is a very multicultural place. It is a mixture of people from every race. Growing up in a place like this has been many people's greatest wish. The people, the food, the amazing sights, the buildings, the snow that is oh so white. What has to be the greatest of all is waiting for the first snow of winter to fall. In Canada, 11 years I've been living. It is a very nice country, but for me, a piece is missing. I have felt that way for a very long time. Can you fault me? It is not a crime. However, one thing I know is true. I cannot go back to Somalia. What did I do? Whom do we blame? The politicians, the scholars, the parents, the world? Our generation never had a chance to see what a beautiful place Somalia could be. Imagine a little girl asking her dad for the memories of Somalia she never had. Do you know what her dad will say? He will say, "Don't worry, we'll find a way." We will try until we can try no more, to gain responsibility and try to restore. Many years without any peace, and the number of problems will slowly decrease. After years of watching our country crumble, we see a small light at the end of the tunnel. Is that light a figment of our imagination, or is it an opening for the people of my nation? All of you kids in front of me, next time I see you, I hope for you to be a doctor, a lawyer, a judge, an MP. Make us proud to say we are Somali. Follow the right path. Follow the right path and it will lead to wonderful things and you will succeed. Don't change yourself only on this occasion. Stand proud and say, I am a Somali Canadian. Parents, the thing you have to do is listen to us when we really need you. We will try very hard and to keep our culture alive and carry on our mother tongue. We will strive. Sweet victory, a beautiful life, filled with prosperity, shared with peace. Make our country last forever.
Thank you, Sophia. What a moving poem. Our next speaker will be Adam Isse, who's going to give us a brief background of the event and also the new form of government. Adam Isse, President of the Coalition of Muslims in Toronto.
Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adam Issa, the President of Coalition of Muslim Organizations, the largest Muslim umbrella organization in Canada, which has 35 organizations, as well as the President of Somali Relief Network. On behalf of the organizers of this unique event, as well as Somali Canadian community and its organizations, let me open by saying how honored I am to welcome all of you who have taken the time to attend this meeting, presented themselves here today. And specifically, I should thank to the Honorable Jack Layton, the leader of the NDP. I would like to thank also Rahim Jafar, who is a member of Conservative.